To letterland today.
Hi kids! Welcome back to Letterland. Today we will learn new letter. Our new letter today is Clever Cat. Clever Cat says K in word. Now let's hear the music.
Clever cat says k in words, k in words, k in words. Clever cat says k in words and cuddles close to me. She also makes another sound, another sound, another sound. She also makes another sound. Just you wait and see.
Clever cat says k.
Clever cat's face to begin. Then gently tickle her under her chin.
Okay kids, for your assignment today, let's open page 1. What should we do here? You have to trace the broken lines. After that, you have to color the picture that start with K sound, like cake, caterpillar. Now let's try to trace them. Are you ready? Let's follow the broken line. Go round and stop. Cup around and stop. Let's trace again. Follow the broken line. Go round and stop. And hold the pencil properly. Go round and stop. It's easy, right? Now let's try it at home. Okay, Preschool 2, that's finished about our lesson today. I hope you can understand. You may try at home and keep spirit, everybody. See you.